Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 167 to sum 2. Input array is sorted. So we're given a one-indexed array of integers called numbers, which is already sorted in non-decreasing order. We need to find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target value. And we want these two numbers to be numbers of index 1 and numbers of index 2, where index 1 is greater than or equal to 1 and less than index 2, while index 2 is less than or equal to the length of our numbers array. We need to return the indices of the two numbers, index 1 and 2, added by 1 as an integer array, index of 1 and 2 of length 2. And they tell us the tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution, and we may not use the same element twice. So, also, they want us to do this with constant extra space, so we are going to use 2 pointers to solve this. We will start at, if we take a look at example 1, right, we're returning 1 and 2 because 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So what we'll do is we'll have 2 pointers, left set to the beginning of our numbers array, right set to the end of our numbers array, and we'll add the two values together. If the value is greater than our target value, we're just going to move our right pointer down by 1. If the value of the two numbers added together is less than our target, we will move our left pointer ahead by 1. So it's pretty similar to binary search, except we will not be calculating a midpoint every time we want to move our pointers. So with that said, we will initialize left and right to be equal to 0 and the length of nums minus 1. And we will run our binary search algorithm. So while left is less than or equal to right, we want to say, okay, is nums of left plus nums of right equal to our target? If it is, we are going to return left plus 1 and right plus 1 because they want the indexes added by 1. So if it is not our target, we'll say elif nums of left plus nums of right. If that is greater than our target, we want to move our right pointer down by 1. Else if nums of left plus nums of right is less than our target, we will increment our left pointer by 1. And since we are guaranteed to have a return value, we don't have to do a latent return once we exit this loop. This conditional will always execute. So let's run this. Perfect. And it does pass all 3 test cases, so we'll submit. Awesome, and it does run. So time and space complexity is going to be O of n for time, and the space complexity is going to be O of 1, right? We're not using any extra data structures to solve this problem. All right, that'll do it for LeetCode 167.